I am Ivan Michael Siachans of Batangas State University, Bachelor of Science Information Technology, and for today's video, I'll be doing a Packet Tracer Skills Integration Challenge. So this is in Chapter 6, it's in page 6.5.1.3, so it is entitled Skills Integration Challenge. So here's the topology, and here's the addressing table. So we got the devices, the interface, IP address, its subnet mask, and we will go to complete the default gateway. The objective is to finish the network documentation, perform basic device configuration of router and the switch, verify connectivity, and troubleshoot any issues. Our scenario is your network manager is impressed with your performance in your job as a LAN technician. She would like to now demonstrate your ability to configure a router connecting two LANs. Your tasks include the configuration basic settings on a router and switch using the Cisco iOS. You will then verify your configuration as well as configurations on the existing device by testing end-to-end connectivity. The requirements: provide the missing information in the addressing table. Name the router floor 14 and the second switch room 146. You will not be able to access room 145. Use Cisco as a user exec password for all lines. Use Cisco for privilege exec password. Encrypt all plain text passwords. Configure an appropriate manner. Configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table. Document interfaces with descriptions including room 146 VLAN 1 interface. Save your configurations. Verify connectivity between all devices. All devices should be able to ping any other devices. Troubleshoot and document any issues. Implement the solutions necessary to enable the verify full end-to-end connectivity. So let's start. I'll first configure this router. So we enter the router, the CLI, we enable, config your terminal. Now we place the host name. So the host name of this is floor 14, I think. So the host name is floor 14, host name floor 14. So let's go to the switch and change the switch name. So to the CLI. So enable. Try that again. Enable. Configure terminal. Now change the host name. So the host name will be room -146. There it's now changed to room 146. And I'll set the password for the router. Here to configure terminal, let's type line console 0 password Cisco. Now log in, exit. Now line BTY 015 password Cisco again. So log in and exit. Okay, so let's go to the switch. Let's configure this. Let's put a password here. So again, line console 0 and password Cisco and log in and we exit online BTY 015 that's the password Cisco password Cisco log in and exit. There. Now we go back to the router. We're in the router. Go to configure terminal. Now let's enable secret class. Then we put service password encryption, service password encryption and banner MOTD warning. This is secured. And let's go to the switch. And then let's put it here in configure terminal. So enable secret class. And we put the service password encryption and encryption. Encrypt the password. Then we put a banner MOTD warning. This is secured. Enter text message. Let's try again. This is secured. Let's exit. I made a mistake here. Enter text message and with character. So let's try again. Banner MOTD warning is secured. Okay, so we have put a banner there. Now let's set the IP for the router. We are now configured. So we'll go to interface gigabit interface gigabit Ethernet so 0-0 first. Now we are in the interface. Let's put the IP address. IP address. The IP address of this is 00 here. We copy this IP address. We paste 128.107.20.1. Oh, incomplete command. Let's try again. I forgot to put the subnet mask, so let's put the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. There. We have placed its IP address, so let's put the command no shutdown. Then after no shutdown, exit this interface. We'll go to the next. interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So from 0/1 we place the IP address. Let's copy the 0/1 IP address and put the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So no shutdown. Now we exit. Okay, so let's set IP for the switch. Here, as we can see, it's now green. Both gigabit Ethernet is now connected. So we set the IP here for the switch. So we go to interface VLAN 1. Now IP address. Let's copy the IP address of this switch. So this is room 146. Room 146 switch. Here, let's copy this IP address. Copy space to put the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. We enter, then no shutdown. We exit this interface. Okay. So let's now set IP default gateway. IP default gateway. So the IP default gateway is the IP address of which this is connected to. So this is connected to Ethernet 0 gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So let's put the IP address of that. Let's copy and paste. Let's copy this. Let's try again. IP default gateway 128.107.30.1. So it says default IP default gateway. So let's put the 128.107.30.1. Let's invite again IP default gateway. Let's exit this first. Cisco. Let's try it here. I think IP default gateway IP default gateway 1 to enable Cisco class. So it should be in configure terminal. Try putting that in the first, but I think that it was wrong. So it is now okay. Now that we have done that, let's save, copy, running dash configuration, and start up dash configuration. Copy running the so let's exit first. Here we have copied it. 1046, so now in floor 15, so let's exit. Let's paste here we have copied again the configuration for floor 14. Now let's check the IP addresses. So manager B, IP desktop config. So let's go manager B. So desktop, then IP configuration. Let's check if the IP address is correct. So this is manager B. So 128.107.30.25, so this is correct. 255, the subnet is correct. So this is connected to the gigabit ethernet 0/1, so the default gateway is 128.107.30.1. So let's copy this and then paste it here. And yeah, let's check reception B. Desktop IP configuration. Let's check the IP address. So the IP address is 128.107.30.30. So this is supposed to be 30. Subnet mask, it's correct. So it is the same as the manager B. So let's place the default gateway. Now let's check manager A, desktop IP configuration. So let's check the IP address. IP address is 128.107.20.25. So this is correct. The default gateway, this is it is connected to the gigabit ethernet 0/0. So let's copy this IP address. So let's paste it here. So now in reception 2, desktop IP configuration. Let's check if the IP address is correct. 128.107.20.30. Subnet mask is correct. So as like manager A, the same default gateway. So there. Now let's try if it works and if it is connected. So let's try ping manager B. So let's copy the IP address of manager B. Now let's command prompt. So let's ping and we paste the address. So we're now pinging. Let's check. Let's see if it will reply. There. Reply. So let's try again. Ping and paste. Now replying from manager A to manager B. Let's try reception A command prompt. Let's ping. So there it is still replying. So we have successfully done the skills integration challenge. So I hope you learned something from me answering this activity.